Ready to get started? Here's what you'll need. White chocolate chips, 2 cups. These are our base, creating that smooth, creamy texture. Sweetened condensed milk, 1 can, 14 ounces. This adds sweetness and helps bind everything together. Butter, 2 tablespoons, just a touch for richness and flavor. Lemon extract, 2 teaspoons, the star of the show. This gives our fudge that irresistible lemon zing. First, line a baking dish with parchment paper. This makes it super easy to lift out the fudge later. Next, in a saucepan, melt together the white chocolate chips, sweetened condensed milk, and butter over low heat. Stir often so it melts nice and smooth. Once melted, remove from heat and stir in that glorious lemon extract. Then, pour the mixture into your prepared dish and spread it out evenly. Pop it in the fridge to set for at least 2 hours. Finally, cut it into squares and enjoy. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.